The Rooster, the Dog, and the Fox. This is Rooster and Dog. They are best friends. One day, Rooster and Dog went for a walk. Soon, it started to get dark. Rooster and Dog stopped walking. "Let's camp here until morning," said Dog. "I can't sleep on the ground," said Rooster. "Sleep in the tree," said Dog. Rooster made a nest in the tree. Dog laid down on the ground. Soon they fell fast asleep. When it was morning, Rooster woke up. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," called Rooster. Fox heard Rooster calling and went to investigate. Fox saw Rooster and thought he looked tasty to eat. But Fox could not reach Rooster. Fox decided he would try and trick Rooster to come down from the tree. "Good morning, Rooster," said Fox politely. "Good morning, Fox," said Rooster. "Would you like to join me for breakfast?" asked Fox. Rooster knew Fox was trying to trick him. "I'd be happy to join you," said Rooster. "Can you ask my friend to help me down?" Fox then saw Dog. Dog was much bigger than Fox. Fox ran off as quickly as he could. Rooster and Dog laughed. Rooster and Dog continued their walk. The end.